With your knowledge, experience, and observation, you can predict a few things like when a company advertises, its sales may go up. When a medicine is consumed, the disease may be controlled. When there is a low rainfall, prices of food grains and vegetables may increase. When unemployment rate is high, bad debts for banks may increase. You certainly know that there is a kind of relationship between these variables. However, you may not be able to explain the strength and direction of a relation and may not be able to predict future. Regression analysis help you quantify the relation, its direction and strength. A simple linear regression measures the relationship between two variables, that is, independent or predictor variable and dependent or criterion variable. For example, circulation, that is, number of copies sold of newspapers and magazines, influence their advertisement revenues. Circulation ad revenue workbook presents you circulation and advertisement revenue data of 70 print publications in USA. On this dataset, run the regression analysis. It is recommended to draw a scatter plot and fit a trend line to check whether relation is linear or not. For this, select data range including headers and click Insert tab. And from charts, choose Scatter. To add a trend line, click Chart Layouts and select Chart with the Trend Line. Observe the chart. Most of the data points are clustered to trend line. You can also see few extreme values. As the relationship is linear, proceed to run regression analysis using Data Analysis command. Click Data tab and click Data Analysis command. Data Analysis dialog box is displayed. From Analysis Tools, select Regression and click OK. Regression dialog box appears. For input Y range, select dependent variable, that is, ad revenue, and for input X range, select independent variable, that is, circulation. Then select labels. From output options, choose New Worksheet and click OK. Regression output is displayed in New Worksheet. Format the numbers to get a better view of Excel output. The regression summary output has three sections: regression statistics, hypothesis testing, that is ANOVA, and regression model. First, look at regression statistics. Multiple R explains the correlation between variables. Here, the correlation is 0.95, which can be said as very strong and positive. R-square value, which tells you how much of the change in dependent variable, that is, ad revenue, can be explained by independent variable, that is, circulation. In this case, it is 0.89, which means 89% of change in ad revenue can be explained or attributed to circulation. And R-square is between 0 and 1. The closer to 1, the stronger the relationship. Next, look at significant F and P value. If P value, that is a power value, is less than your significance or alpha value, that is 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis. That means there exists significant relationship between circulation and ad revenue. Finally, observe the model fit. The intercept tells the status of dependent variable when independent variable is 0. Here, intercept value is 99.81. This slope or circulation explains the magnitude and direction of the relationship. Lower and upper limits tells that with 90% of confidence, you can say that the ad revenue will be between 88 and 111. Remove the outliers from the data and rerun the regression analysis. You will find slightly different results. This is because the newspapers and magazines with high circulation are generated more ad revenues. Another reason for this may be periodicals with low circulation or limited to certain geographic locations or niche readers.